Hi lovelies, in today's video tutorial I'll be showing you how to make this easy and very quick vegetable sauce with very little ingredients, and it is so rich. If you love healthy food that you can make on a budget, then this recipe is perfect for you. Sit back, relax, and let's get right into the video. My name is Esther Ojima Tsunami, and you're welcome to Good News Catering and Events. I'm making use of pumpkin leaves, also known as ugu. This has been picked, washed, and sliced to tiny pieces. I'll also be making use of this prawn crayfish. I have here some red oil, some onions will also be needed. You need to wash and dice it, seasoning cubes, salt to taste, some grinded pepper. Let's get started.